welcome back to The Weekender. This weekend, I'm going to discuss the contribution of Dr. Carol Dweck. She is a psychologist from Stanford University. She is the first one who coined the term fixed mindset and growth mindset. She spent her days diving into why some people succeed and others do not. And her investigation and researches shows that it is the mindset which decides the failure and successes. Let's jump in to look into the attributes of fixed mindset and growth mindset, and let's see which one you possess. People with fixed mindset believe intelligence and talent are static and it is by birth, whereas people with growth mindset embrace the lifelong learning and they believe intelligence can be improved. People with fixed mindset, they avoid challenges to avoid failure, whereas people with growth mindset, they see failure as a temporary setback and every failure has some teaching in it. People with fixed mindset, they ignore the feedback from others. They view feedback as the personal criticism, whereas people with growth mindset, they view feedback as the source of information and room for improvement. People with fixed mindset, they feel threatened by the success of other people, whereas people with growth mindset, they take the success of other people as inspiration. Fixed mindset, they hide their flaws so as not to be judged by others, whereas growth mindset, they embrace their mistakes and share them with others. People with fixed mindset, they give up easily, whereas people with growth mindset, they don't give up. In fact, they stand up every time they fall. Looking at these attributes, check yourself which kind of a person you are, whether you have a fixed mindset or a growth mindset, and judge yourself wisely. And if you have a fixed mindset, nothing to worry. Dr. Carol has mentioned the 4-step process to change from fixed mindset to growth mindset. Let's look into that. Step 1. Learn to hear your fixed mindset voice. Next time you face any challenge in your life, your inner voice might say, "Are you sure you can do it?" Or it might say, "What if you fail?" Listening your inner voice, which is fearful, is the step 1, where you recognize your fixed mindset. Step 2. Recognize that you have a choice. In the step 1, you have anticipated that your mindset is toward the fixed mindset. But now you are going to challenge your mindset and you are going to tell that you have a choice to shift from fixed to the growth mindset. Step 3, it includes you have to talk back to your challenge or problem with the growth mindset. And this process includes you have to replace your every inner voice which is resonating with the fixed mindset with the growth mindset. For example, if your fixed mindset says, "What if you fail?" you have to replace it with that most successful people like Thomas Edison, Michael Jordan, they have many failures in their life. And now, the last and the most important one, take the action. Once you have heard the fixed mindset voice and respond to it with the growth mindset, you then determine how to take necessary action that will lead to growth. This might include taking new challenges, learning from setbacks, adjusting your action based on feedbacks and so on. So I hope you guys be now able to differentiate between the fixed mindset and growth mindset. This was it for today. See you soon in another video. Till then, have an amazing life.